page number 9 of your math coursework. Okay, and above this question number 4, you all need to write date and classwork. You all need to write date and classwork, children. Please write date and classwork above this question number 4. And we have done this in theme 1 also, before, after, and between number. But now we will do before, after, and between number from 100 to 200. Okay. So now see here. You all can see cats are there. In your first bit, 2 cats are there. And if you'll see properly here, inside these cats, numbers are written. You can see here in this first cat also, there is one number 105. Yes, how you will read this number? I told you, you have to read the number. First, you have to see what is the number in ones place. Then you have to see what is the number in tens place. And then you have to see what is the number in hundreds place. As you all can see here in hundreds place, we have a number 1. So we will read it as 100. And the remaining 2 numbers, that is the number in tens place and ones place, we will read those numbers together. So this will become 05 and we read it as 5. So this is 105. So your first number is 105. And if you will look at the second cat, number is 107. You all can see here, this is number is 107. Okay. Now you have to see which number comes in between the number 105 and number 107. Okay. So now what comes between these 2 numbers? What you can do is, you can see what number comes just after 105. So what comes just after 105, children? After 105, sorry, just after 105 comes 106. 106. So here you will write 106. Okay, so what will come between 105 and 107? Just look for the number which comes just before, sorry, just after this 105. So 106 comes just after 105. Okay, so you can write here. Now, children, come to bit B. This is again 2 cats are there and you have to see what is the number. In the first cat, number is 125 and in the second cat, number is 127. Now you have to see the number which comes just after 125. So you have to see the number which comes just after 125. Okay. Dhruti, you tell me which number comes just after 125. We will write that number here.
126.
126, that's correct. So 126 is the number which comes in between 125 and 127. That's the correct answer, Dhruti. Manha, you tell me answer for bit C. Okay, tell me what is the number in first cat?
195.
That is the answer, but tell me what is the number written in the first cat in bit C? What is that number inside that cat?
154.
194, Mana. That is 194. Now tell me, Mana, what comes just after 194?
195.
Very good. So what comes just after 194, children? 195. So 195 is the number which comes in between 194 and 196. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Very good, Mana. That's the correct answer. So 195 comes just after 194. So 195 comes in between 194 and 96. I'm clearing all this. Okay. Yes, children. So this is how you will write the number which comes in between the given numbers. So now come to page number 10. Come to page number 10, children. Page number 10. Yes. So now come to page number 10, children. Here you have to write the number which comes before and after the given number. You all can see flowers are there. Okay. And you can see some leaves are there. Okay. With every flower, there is one leaf. Sorry, two leaves. With every flower, there are two leaves. Okay. So you have to write answers in these leaves. I'm moving my cursor here. You all can see you have to write answers in these two leaves. Okay. And first bit is already done in your book. You have to see what is the number inside this flower. You all can see this red portion here inside this flower. Number is written there. You have to see that number and you have to write the, and after looking at that number, you have to write the number which comes just before and after this number. Okay. Now if you will see the first bit, children, now if you'll see your first bit inside that red color, number is 159. Number is 159. Again I'm repeating, children, this is page number 10. This is page number 10 of your math course book. Okay. Now if you will see this number, children, this number is 159. Now you have to write the number which comes just before 159 and just after 159. Okay. So now first see the number in ones and tens place. What is the number in ones and tens place here? This is 5 and 9. It together it will make 59, and this is 1 is there in hundreds place, right? So this is number 159. Now you have to think of the number which comes just before 59. So what comes just before 59? 58. So what will come before 159? So before 159, children, number will be 158. That's why 158 is written there. Now you have to look for a number which comes just after it. So what comes just after 158? Number is 169. Number is 169, children. Sorry, 160. So we will write here 160 in this second leaf. Okay. Now if we will move to bit B, you can see inside this red color, number is 177. Number is 177. Now you have to look for a number which comes just before 177 and which comes just after 177. So now what comes just before 177? 176, and you will write that answer inside this leaf. Inside this first leaf, you will write the number which comes just before. So 176 comes just before 177. And what comes just after 177, children? What comes just after 177, children? 178. 8. 178. So here you have to write number 178. Okay. So here you will write the number 178. Okay. Now come to bit C. What is the now again you have to see what is the number. Yes, children. Now you have to tell answer for bit C. Swarnika, unmute yourself. Swarnika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Swarnika. But first, tell me what is the number inside that red color in bit C. What is the number inside that flower?
Which one?
Bit C. Bit C. Third flower, Swarnika. Tell me quickly.
114. 115.
No, I am talking about the number which is inside this flower. What is that number? This number.
114.
114. Okay, so now tell me what comes just before 114. Before means previous number. You have to go
113.
113. Very good. So children, write 113 in first leaf. Okay, so and what comes just after 114?
115.
Yes, so 115 comes just after 114. Very good, Swarnika. That's the correct answer. 115. Okay. Ashwath, Ashwath, now tell me what is the number inside that fourth flower? That is bit D. What is the number?
116.
No.
113.
What are you reading? I'm talking about fourth one. Bit D. What is that number?
119.
No. Akshay, see that number properly. Come on, it's in your book also. This is bit D. Come on, quickly.
199.
And how you will read this number 199? How you will read?
100.
100?
99.
Yeah. Now tell me what comes just before 199?
198.
How you will read 198? This is 190.
Yay.
Yeah. 198 is also correct, but it's better if you will call it 198. So in the first leaf, you will write 198. And what comes just after 199?
200.
Very good. So 200. So we will write 200 in this second leaf. Write 200, children. Children, I am using my laptop's cursor. That's why I'm unable to write properly. So, but you all need to write properly, and your handwriting should be neat and clean, children. Okay. Fine. I hope you all have done till here. So now we'll move to next bit. That is bit E. That is bit number E. Now again you have to see what is the number inside that flower and then you have to answer. Okay. Ketan, what is the number inside that flower? Yes, Ketan, what is the number inside that fifth bit? Sorry, inside that flower.
1, 2, 6. 1, 2.
I am asking what is the number?
125.
Yeah. So now tell me what comes just before 125?
126.
No.
124.
Yeah. 124 comes just before 125. Okay. And now what comes just after 124, 25?
126.
126. That's the correct answer. This is 126. Very good, Ketan. That is the correct answer. Okay, so now again. Yes. Fine. Sai Ritvik, now tell me answer for bit F. Tell me what is the number inside that flower. First tell me what is the number inside that flower.
What is this one?
143.
Very good. So now tell me what comes just before 143.
142.
Good. Very good. And what comes just after 143? After.
144.
Very good. Yes, children, keep on writing answers in your course books. This is 144. Very good, Sai Ritvik. This is 144. Okay, that's the correct answer. Yes. Now, this is bit G. Brinda, tell me what is the number inside that flower in bit G? G. What is the number inside this flower?
165.
So what comes just before 165?
164.
Very good. 164 comes just before 165. And what comes just after 165? Just after.
165 after.
166.
Yes, 166.
6.
That's correct answer, Brinda. So 166 comes just after 165. Very good. Now you can mute yourself, Brinda. Arhan, Mohammed, unmute yourself quickly.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Arhan. Now tell me what is the number in bit H? What is the number inside?
187.
So what comes just before 187?
186.
Very good. This is 186. And what comes just after 187?
188.
Very good. So 188 comes just after 187. Very good, Arhan. Yes, children, keep on writing answers in your math course book. Very good. That's the correct answer. Yes, Advait, what is your doubt? You are not saying anything, Advait. Lots of noise. Yeah, okay, children. So I hope you all have completed till here. Is there any child who is still writing? Yes, children, is there anyone who is still writing? Again, I'm repeating, is there anyone? You can use raise hand option if you are still writing. Or is there anyone who has any doubt? See, whenever you have to write the number which comes just before, just look for the previous number. Okay, and whenever you have to write the number which comes just after, so you have to see for the number which comes next. Okay, so you all have done till now. I'm clearing all this, and now I want you all to take out your math notebook. Children, take out your math notebook quickly. And now we will do practice of place value. Come on. Take out your math notebook, children. Write date and classwork in your math notebook. Yes, children? And now start writing. Children, write date and classwork in your math notebook. Ansel Raj, take out your math notebook. Children, take out your math notebook. Write date and classwork in your math notebook. Leave a line. Okay, so now I'll start writing. After writing, Siddharth, sit properly. Yes, children, after writing date and classwork, you have to leave a line. And now start writing. Okay, children, now listen to me. Listen, I am unable to type C. Okay, I cannot type C here because that key is not working. So I am telling you spelling of place value. This is P-L-A-C-E. I cannot write C here, children. So parents, I request you all to please assist your child. That key is not working. So I want you all to write correct spelling of place. This is P-L-A-C-E, place. Okay. So I'll write here only P. But you all need to write complete spelling. That is P-L-A-C-E, place. Value of the underlined number. Yes, children, write this P stands for place, children. Again, I am repeating that I am unable to type C in my laptop. So I request you all to please write proper spelling and correct spelling of place. That is P-L-A-C-E, place. Okay. Parents, I request you all to please assist your child. Yeah, write the place value of the underlined number. Okay, children, write this question. After writing date and classwork, you have to leave one line and then you have to write this question. Yes, is there anyone who has any doubt what does this P stand for? This P stands for place. Again, I'll repeat spelling of place. P-L-A-C-E, place. 100, sit properly, and later on you will be the one who will take more time. Yes, children. Question is, you have to write the place value of the underlined number. Okay, so your first bit is, or you can say your first number we'll write here. The first number is 165. Okay. First, we'll finish writing with the questions. Then we'll move to the answers. Your first number is 165 children. After writing every bit, you have to leave one line. Next number is 173. Children, after every number, you have to leave one line. Next number is 189. Next, fourth bit is number 127. Children, keep on writing this in your notebook. Your handwriting should be neat and clean. Fifth bit is 142. Again, leave a line and then write sixth bit. Again, I'm repeating, after every bit, you have to leave a line. Your sixth bit is 116. And seventh bit is 158. Excuse me. And one more question. That is bit A. Bit number 8. One hundred and 133. Last number is 133 children. Okay. So now I will underline the number here. And you have to write the place value of the underlined number. Okay. In the first bit, children, underline number 6. I am underlining this number. Children, see here. I have underlined number 6 here. In first bit, children, underline number 6. In first bit, children, I have underlined number 6. You all can see I have underlined with red color. In first bit, underline number 6, children. In second bit, underline number 1. I am underlining it with red color. In third bit, underline number 8. In third bit, children, underline number 8. Then in fourth bit, underline number 2. Underline number 2 in fourth bit, children. In fifth bit, underline number 2. In fifth bit also, underline number 2. I am doing here, you all can see. In sixth bit, underline number 1. Which one I am underlining? I am underlining the number in hundreds place. In sixth bit, children, underline the 1 which is in hundreds place. You all can look on your screen. I am underlining. Yes, in seventh bit, children, underline number 8. This is number 8. Yes. And in last bit, again underline number 3, which is in ones place. Which is in ones place, children. Okay. Siddharth, look on your screen. Yes, children. Underline these numbers. I have underlined number with this red color. Please underline the correct number. So now see here, children. Now we have to write the place value of the underlined number. We have to write the place value of the underlined number here. Okay. So we'll start with our first bit. And our first bit number is 165. What is the number in our first bit, children? Number is 165. And you have to tell the place value of this number 6, because underlying number is 6 here. Now see here, children, how you will tell the place value of any number. As I have told you earlier also, you have to see what is the place of that number in that digit. Sorry, what is the place of that digit in that number? Number is 165, and we are talking here about this underlined number, that is 6 here. Now, what is its place? See here, children, we always start from back side. Here 5 is in 1's place. This 6 is in 10's place. And this one is in 100's place, as you all can see here. Right, so what is the place of this 6 here? This 6 is in 10's place here. So what we will do, we will write this 6 here as it is. And after this 6, we will put here 1 0. Why we will put here 1 0, children? Because this 6 is in 10's place, and in 10's we have only 1 0. That's why we are putting here 1 0. So answer is 60 60. So place value of this 6 in 165 is 60. Okay. Siddharth, you tell me answer for second bit. What is the underlying number here in bit second?
1.
1. So we will write that 1 here. And what is the place of this one in number 173? How many zeros?
7.
Siddharth, tell me what is the place of this one here?
1 0, ma'am.
No. Is it in this one is in 1's place, 10's place, or 100's place?
100's place.
100's place. And in 100's, how many zeros?
100. 3.
100. No, in 100, how many zeros are there? Do you know how to write 100? Then write 100 in your notebook and tell me how many zeros are there in 100.
2.
Then how many zeros we will put here?
2.
Good. See here, children, this one is in 100's place here, as you all can see. This one is in 100's place here. You cannot find out their place unless and until you write here 1's, 10's and 100's. So you need to write in every bit yourself 1's, 10's and 100's. So place value of this one is 100. So we will put 2 zeros after this 1. Okay. Yeah. Now, Ashita, you tell me what is the underlying number in third bit?
Ma'am,
What is the underlined number in third bit? Quickly.
ma'am, third bit.
Yeah, what is in underlined number here?
7.
Arey, 7 is not there in third bit. Underlined number.
8, ma'am.
Yeah, 8. And now tell me what is the place of this 8 here? 1's place or 10's place? Ashita, tell me, less than 1 minute is left.
Ma'am, 8.
Okay, fine. We will write this 8 here. And after this 8, how many zeros we will put?
1 0.
Yes, correct answer. We will put here 1 0 because this 8 is in 10's place here. We will put here only 1 0. Fine, that's the correct answer. Ananya? Ananya, tell me answer for fourth bit. What is the underlying number here?
Underline which number?
2. So after this 2, how many zeros we will put? 1 0 because 2 is in 10's place, and in 10's we have only 1 0. Very good, Ananya.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now see here, children, see the fifth bit. In fifth bit, underlying number is 2. So we will write that 2 as it is because this